You love seeing garage doors open and close, huh, Dorian? You love it?
Closing!
Is it closing?
Wow.
Really? Let me see. Show Mama. Okay, let's see. Is the garage door closing? Where? Oh, oops. Oh, it did. Oh, no, it's still open. It's still open. All right.
Cheese!
Cheese. Cheese. Oh, Dorian, I think it's closing. You want to go see? Is it closing? Oh, no, it's not closing. Oops. Still open. Still open. Funny, how looking. He's the maniac on the run. Dances like he never had before. Oh, you're making me dizzy. Dizzy. Oh, I can't keep up. I can't keep up. Okay, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks. Jump. Jump. Jumping jacks. Whoa, whoa. Okay, and who's that, Dorian? Is that 1 go-go, 2 go-go, or 3 go-go? Which go-go is that? Oh, well, now that's no go-go.
Go to the door.
Okay, all right. Slowly. Thank you for closing it slowly.
Look out.
You want to go out? Ooh, darn, I don't think you can.
Who's that? Who's that?
Who's that? That might be Papa. He's probably downstairs. Either that or it's Lolo. Here. Here, Lolo might hear you if you scream, if you yell his name in here. See? Say, Lolo, where are you? Go ahead.
Where are you?
Go. Say it right here. Say it right here. Lolo, where are you? Say, Lolo.
Hello.
Dorian, someday you're going to watch these videos and it'll be quite funny. Say, Lolo, right here. Lolo.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Dorian, the garage door, I think it's closing. You want to go check? You want to go check? Is it open? Oh, it did close. Darn, you missed it.